Hello friends, very beautiful and talented lady from Australia. She helped herself with her feet, my friends. Repair the car. Well done. What she doing now? She wants to put gasoline in her car tank. Healthy. What she doing now? She trying to repair this thing. She can do all herself, my friends. She's well done. Now this lady is repairing the car. She's under the car and she helped herself with her feet, my friends. Very hard work. Well done. Let's look at Barefoot Housewives today. Walking around the house barefoot is also nice. This beautiful lady works with a vacuum cleaner barefoot. She twists the rug. Next, she vacuums the floor. She walks very hard. It's much more pleasant to walk barefoot on a clean floor than on a dirty one. She vacuums every crevice, hard to reach places, under furniture. She is well done. We can see it. Well done. Amazing lady. This beauty wants to plug in an air purifier. This is a rather complex device. It is clear that she likes him very much. And she connects it. She's well done. And this lady washes the floor with a mop. She works very quickly and very carefully. There is no doubt that after such cleaning the floor will be perfectly clean. Well done. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye.